When you search for the best shoes for dancing on concrete, everything looks the same. Same claims, same styles. But to find what really works for those hard floors, you've got to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Linodes Jazz Shoe. First up, we have the Linodes Unisex Leather Upper Jazz Shoe priced at $17.99. Right off the bat, the sleek leather design caught my eye, promising both style and comfort. If you're looking for a reliable shoe that lets you dance with ease on concrete, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The high-quality leather upper and arch insert design provide excellent support, which is crucial when you're dancing on something as hard as concrete. The split sole allows for flexibility, while the EVA sole patch means you can pivot and turn smoothly without feeling stuck. With 12,500 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many dancers are loving this shoe. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to measure your feet and choose according to their size chart, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly shoe that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you need extra padding for high-impact dancing. Honestly, for the price, it's a steal. Now, if that sizing issue concerns you, the next option has a completely different approach. Product number 2, Stell Half Sole Shoes. Next up, we have the Stell Half Soles Dance Shoes priced at just $12.58. What stood out to me was the breathable stretch canvas, which feels like a dream when you're dancing for hours. If you want something that gives you that barefoot feel while still providing support, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The half-sole design allows you to turn freely, which is perfect for those spins and turns on concrete. Plus, the silicone backing on the elastic strap helps keep the shoe secure, no slipping during your moves. With a 4.7-star rating from 4,600 reviews, it's clear this shoe is a favorite among many dancers. Now, some users noted that they felt the sizing was a bit tricky, especially for men. Here's the deal: if you're in between sizes, definitely go for the larger one to avoid discomfort. This is perfect for you if you're into lyrical and contemporary dance styles that require a lot of turning. Skip this one if you prefer a full shoe for extra support. Honestly, at this price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor dancing on concrete. Product number 3, ELETON Barefoot Shoes. Now let's talk about the ELETON Barefoot Shoes priced at $20.21. These shoes are designed to give you a true barefoot feel while keeping you stylish. If you want a shoe that feels light and flexible, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The elastic band design makes them easy to slip on and off, which is great for dancers who are always on the move. The breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool, while the anti-skid sole ensures you won't be slipping around, even on concrete. With a 4.3-star rating from 6,000 reviews, it's clear many are finding them useful. Now, a downside some users mentioned is that the fit can be snug for those with wider feet. Here's the thing though, if you prefer a snug fit, you might actually love this feature, but it's not for everyone. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a minimalist shoe that offers freedom of movement. Skip this one if you need more structure and support in your footwear. For the price, it's a versatile option. Now, if the snug fit bothers you, wait till you hear about the next product. Product number 4, Pretty PS Athletic Shoe Covers. Coming in next are the Pretty PS Athletic Shoe Covers priced at $17.99. What I found intriguing is how versatile these are, allowing you to dance on any surface. If you want something that can turn your regular sneakers into dancing shoes, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The nylon poly blend allows for smooth pivots and turns, which means you can practice without worrying about straining your joints. They fit easily over shoes and are designed for a range of dance styles, making them super convenient. Plus, they have a 4.3-star rating with over 1,100 reviews, indicating dancers find them quite useful. Here's the thing, if you're wearing lighter sneakers, they should fit snugly, but it's definitely something to consider. This is perfect for you if you want an easy way to transition from street to dance floor. Skip this if you prefer a dedicated dance shoe. Honestly, they're a smart addition to any dancer's kit. Alright, that was a unique option. But let's wrap things up with the final product that offers a classic dance experience. Product number 5, Stell Jazz Shoes. Finally, we have the Stell Jazz Shoes priced at $17.29. These shoes caught my attention with their genuine leather craftsmanship. If you want a classic look with modern comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stretchy neoprene arch provides snug support, which is great for those high-energy routines. Plus, the non-slip sole gives you the confidence to dance without worrying about traction, making them suitable for both beginners and seasoned pros. With 363 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, they're clearly a popular choice. Now, some users mention that the shoes can feel a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing though, they do break in over time and the comfort level improves significantly, so don't let that discourage you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable shoe for jazz, contemporary, or lyrical dance styles. Skip this one if you need maximum flexibility right out of the box. For the quality you're getting, it's a reasonable investment. To wrap it all up, we've covered a range of options. Linode's Jazz Shoe for that great leather feel, Stell Half Soles for easy turning, ELETON barefoot shoes for a minimalist approach, Pretty PS athletic shoe covers for versatility, and Stell Jazz Shoes for classic comfort. Each has its own strengths, but it all comes down to what you value most in your dancing experience. No matter which shoe you choose, I hope you find the perfect fit for your dance moves.